Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tariq Al-Kasbi. I'm the CEO for Force Energy. We provided services on oil and gas sector. So we are a well services company providing drilling services, well testing, and well intervention services. So delivering a quality service is one of our key success factors. And to achieve that, we always recruit the right people and provide the right machines. Hence, our contact with PRD to purchase the OS drill machines to deliver the contract scope. So we contacted the PRD team and they visited us here in Oman. And we went through their catalog and the type of machines they provide. And we all concluded that the OS drill is the machine for this type of scope. After that, we visited the PRD manufacturing facility in India, and we had a meeting with the owner and with the engineering team, and there was a lot of discussion how to elevate the unit specs to meet the oil and gas sectors. PRD, they've been providing many machines for quite some time, but majority are for water wells drilling. And this was the first time they are providing a unit for oil and gas sector. So we work together really to meet the requirement and the standards of oil and gas sector. One of our challenges was to meet the tight schedule of the mobilization, but us chosen PRD to manufacture the rig with managed to help us to meet that tight schedule. The rig arrived in Oman ahead of schedule, and we went under a commissioning with our client. There will be some findings part of the commissioning, but again the response and the support we got from PRD team was excellent, and we managed to close all the action points within a very short time. We always in FOS have a strategy to have a long-term business relations, and we started our business relations with PRD and our plan to continue this journey together.